Some say a controversial bill would allow California doctors to hide their substance abuse from their patients.
Team 10 investigator Melissa Masiha digs into the effort to kill the bill and the local lawmaker trying to pass it.
Tina Manassian said during a state hearing Tuesday she was a victim of a substance-abusing doctor.
He was at his all-time high with his alcohol problem, and the medical board was trying to revoke his license, but I didn't know any of this. He was in a secret and dangerous program called Diversion.
Now some worry that secret program is coming back by way of AB 2346, a bill authored by Assemblywoman Lorena Gonzalez. The bill authorizes the medical board to create a voluntary and confidential program to help substance abuse problems. 10 News has covered several San Diego physicians with prior drug or alcohol issues, including Manoj Motwani, who pleaded guilty for reckless driving in 2009, and Dr. Tarek Katie, who prescribed drugs to himself and illegally prescribed others. And that's just part of the list. We found other doctors disciplined by the medical board, including one doctor found naked and bloody in a stairwell with a blood alcohol level of more than 0.35.
A substance abusing doctor is probably the most dangerous doctor out there, and they should not be allowed to divert themselves into a private, secret monitoring program.
Opponents like Julie Felmuth with the Center for Public Interest Law say patients have a right to know if their doctor is seeking help for drugs or alcohol.
The bill contains absolutely no safeguards for patients.
Team 10 contacted Lorena Gonzalez after the Assembly Committee hearing.
We think it's best to try to prevent problems from happening.
Gonzalez says she is modeling this program after a similar one to help lawyers.
We have for attorneys, we have it for pharmacists, we have it for dentists. You know, it doesn't make a lot of sense that because a program was not working years ago and it was a different program that we're not going to have a program for doctors.
For Team 10, I'm Melissa Masiha.
Assemblywoman Gonzalez says she will not budge on the confidential aspect of the program, and Felmuth says there are private alternatives for substance abuse.